In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove social media icons in WordPress. If you want a cleaner footer, a simpler header, or you just no longer need social links showing on your site, this is a quick and straightforward change to make. We'll be doing this directly inside the WordPress site editor, so make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard before you begin. First, go to your site editor. This is where you can manage the layout and block-based design of your WordPress site. Once you open the editor, give the page a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the section of your site where the social media icons appear. Next, click on the social media icons themselves. You want to select the social icons block, not just an individual icon inside it, unless your goal is to remove only one specific icon. In this case, we're focusing on removing the social media icons block entirely. When it's selected correctly, you should see the block controls appear around it or in the toolbar. After that, click the three dots in the block toolbar. This opens the block options menu where WordPress gives you more actions you can take for the selected element. If you don't see the three dots right away, make sure the social icons block is still selected, because the menu only appears for the active block. From there, scroll down through the menu and click Delete. As soon as you do that, the social media icons will be removed from the page or template you're editing. This is the key step that permanently removes that block from the design, so be sure you're deleting the correct element before continuing. Once the icons are gone, take a quick look at the surrounding layout to make sure everything still looks the way you want. Sometimes removing a block can slightly change the spacing, so it's worth reviewing the section before you finish. If needed, you can always undo the action immediately in the editor if you delete the wrong block by mistake. That can save you time and help avoid rebuilding anything unnecessarily. And that's it. By going to the site editor, selecting the social media icons, opening the three-dot menu, and choosing Delete, you can quickly remove social media icons from your WordPress site. If you're making other design updates at the same time, this is also a good moment to review the rest of the page and keep everything consistent.